Hey besties, welcome back to my space. I'm Bonnie Helen here and I'm back again with another tutorial. First off, I want to welcome everybody. If you're old, you're still welcome. If you're a new subscriber, you're welcome. I can see the love. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. So on my last video, I made bar soap and I didn't give the measurements, and I got a lot of comments asking me about the measurements. I could not go answering everybody one by one, so I decided to do that in a video. So let's go to the measurements. Okay, there are two ways. Now for your lye solution, so if I'm to use the cup on the table as an example, I'll fill that cup with my caustic soda and I will dissolve my caustic soda with 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water equals 1 cup of lye or caustic soda. So that's the measurement for your caustic soda to water. 1 cup, if you don't have a scale, that cup is equals to what? The same amount of water 4 times, like 4 of the cups. But for the last video I made, I used 5 liters of water. That's my 5 liters of water that I'm pouring inside that bucket. And that 5 liters of water is equal to what? Is equal to 6 liters of oil, so that your soap is not harsh. You understand? Your oil has to be more than your lye solution or your caustic soda. That's my caustic soda. That's a kilogram of caustic soda, and I'm going to be using what? 6 liters. I'll be using 6 liters of bleach palm oil. You can also use palm kernel oil, you can also use tallow, but I'm going to be using bleached palm oil. So 5 liters equals 6 liters of oil. And for the previous measurement for the cups, so if you don't have a kilo to measure your, I'll repeat it again. Go ahead, take a cup of your choice depending on the quantity of soap you want to make. If you are putting 1 cup of caustic soda, no, you're going to be using 4 cups, so you can do your multiplications with that. And then when you've mixed your caustic soda solution, now how do you measure your oils? You see that same measurement of that cup, you see that same measurement of the cup. Now if you are putting 2 cups of that lye solution into your bowl, you are supposed to take 3 cups of oil to do your mixture to get your soap. And then you can go ahead and add your sulphonic acid, like you see me adding. That's sulphonic acid helps it's like it's a foaming booster, and it helps to cleanse very well. Like it's a cleaning agent. It's a cleaning agent. Like you wash your dresses, they become so clean. You understand? Yes, your car, whatever surfaces, oil, like it gets rid of those things. That's the use of sulphonic acid. So you can go ahead, you add it just the way you see me adding in this video. So that's basically it. Those are the measurements for your soap making. If you don't have a scale, if you don't have a scale, so there is no excuse for you not to start your small business. You understand? There is no excuse. Use whatever you have around you to start your business. You see me, I just started this business and it's working well for me. I did not say no, I don't have good soap molds, I don't have a cutter, I don't have a scale. No, I go ahead and do my measurements like that. 5 liters of water equals to 1 kilo of caustic soda, and you're going to mix it with 6 liters of palm oil, and that's my soap. I went ahead and put it on my mold. I thought I was recording, but I discovered that it was not recording, so I don't have the footage of when I was pouring it inside, but that is it. I went ahead to overturn my soap and I got thick trace. I got a thick trace. That's why you see me trying to smooth it out. But on the last video you saw me, I had light trace and I just went ahead and poured it and everything was smooth. But there's no problem. When I turn it over, everything's going to be fine. And yeah, that's my soap. Turned it over and that's it. So I'm just cutting it. I don't have a cutter, but you see, I know how to eyeball it. So you can get yourself a soap cutter and you see the amount of soap that we have. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, about 9, and each of them will give me about 7 cubes of soap. I sell 1 for 100. So if I have 9 and each of them give me about 7, you do the math and you tell me how much I'll be making for this particular badge. It's money. So I hope you people understood the explanation. I'll still go ahead, maybe I'll leave it in the description bar, so if you don't understand my English or my accent, you know exactly what the measurements are, and I'll still be writing it on the screen so that you go ahead and you understand. I hope you make soap. You can do it for business, you can do it and use it at home. It lathers so well and it cleans every surface, your dress, whatever you want to use the soap for. It really cleanses very well. I want to really appreciate all those who subscribe to my channel. I want to appreciate all those who watch the video. Thank you very much. I'm happy you people are making my dreams come true, and I hope you are learning something from this channel, because that is the goal. I want all of us to grow together. I want all of us to do skincare together. I want all of us to do businesses and succeed together. So thank you all for watching. I hope the video was explanatory enough. I hope you understood the measurements for your soap making. I wanted to make it as simple as I could, because sometimes I myself, I don't like calculating a lot. Yes, all those things about grams, ratio, this and this, I don't like calculating a lot. So I really wanted to make this as simple as possible. Just go straight to the point. Take your 5 liters of water, measure your 1 kilo of lye, go ahead, mix it up. Take your 6 liters of oil, mix everything up, and then go ahead and add your sulphonic acid. As for the sulphonic acid, for this particular batch that I make, I usually use half liter of sulphonic acid. Yes, that's my foam booster. But if you want to be extra, you can go ahead and use half liter. But trust me, half will still give you good results. Your soap is going to lather and people are going to love it. And that's our soap. It came out so nice. Thank you once more, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.